Hello, good afternoon. Now, yesterday we talked about the different type of the composite based upon matrix, matrix and reinforcement material. So, in composite, already you know, large part of the composite is called matrix, and a small phase is known as the reinforcement material. So, on the basis of the matrix, we have classified composite of different type like polymer matrix composite, metal matrix composite, ceramic matrix composite, and carbon composite. Now, today we shall discuss about the classification of composite on the basis of enforcement material. कंपोजिट बनाते समय हम जो लार्ज अमाउंट है उसमें कुछ न कुछ रीइंफोर्समेंट मटेरियल डालते हैं। जैसे कि आप टायर बनता है तो टायर का जो मटेरियल आप देखते हो वो एक कंपोजिट है। रबर ज्यादा पार्ट रबर है, दैट इज द मैट्रिक्स। नाउ इन दैट मैट्रिक्स कार्बन रीइंफोर्समेंट मटेरियल के रूप में मिलाया जाता है। तो इससे फायदे क्या है? स्टिफनेस बढ़ जाएगी, लोड बियरिंग कैपेसिटी बढ़ जाएगी, अब्रेशन रेजिस्टेंस बढ़ जाएगा, बहुत सारी क्वालिटी चेंज हो जाती है कंपोजिट मटेरियल का उसके ओरिजिनल मटेरियल से। कॉमनली हम बिल्डिंग मटेरियल में देखें तो सीमेंट कंक्रीट मिला दिया जाता है। तो सीमेंट एक पोर्शन हुआ, ज़्यादा है, उसके अंदर कुछ कंक्रीट मिला देंगे, डिफरेंट साइज का मिलाते हैं, बड़ा कंक्रीट, छोटे साइज का कंक्रीट, तो एक आपका कंपोजिट तैयार होता है। इसके अलावा और बढ़िया रीइंफोर्समेंट मटेरियल मिलाना चाहते हैं और लोड बियरिंग बनाना चाहते हैं कंपोजिट को, तो उसके अंदर लोहा डाल देते हैं जिसको आरसीसी कहते हैं। एक तो हमने सीसी बताया, सीमेंट कंक्रीट का मिश्रण, जिसमें सीमेंट बालू ये हमारा मैट्रिक्स है और कंक्रीट उसके अंदर जो मिलाते हैं वो हमारा रीइंफोर्समेंट मटेरियल। उसी प्रकार से प्लाईवुड आप देखते हैं, प्लाईवुड केवल एक मटेरियल होमोजेनियस मटेरियल नहीं है, इट इज आल्सो ए टाइप ऑफ द कंपोजिट। So I mean to say that composite materials are more useful than homogeneous material. For example, you can say about the fire glass. So fire glass is a composite material, very useful. Similarly, fiberglass, very useful material, आसानी से ब्रेकेबल नहीं है फाइबर ग्लास. केवल ग्लास ब्रेकेबल है. So in this way we have so many property in one type of the material called as the composite material. So now we shall discuss about the classification of the composite based on the reinforcement material. Reinforcement material may be of different type. So composite, this is prepared by adding particles. This is one type of the composite. Second type of the composite can be prepared by mixing or embedding fibers. And the third type of the composite is the structural composite. Now, particle used as a reinforcement material, so it also subdivided into two classes. One composite is prepared by adding large size of the particle. Second can be prepared by small size of the particle. So property are different. This type of the composite is cheaper in comparison to this type of the composite. Exactly the fiber used as a reinforcement material, it is also of two types. One is the composite prepared by mixing long fibers, or long fibers are used as a reinforcement material. Second, small fibers. So in small fiber, it is also called as discontinuous composite. Now third type of the composite based on reinforcement material is the structural composite. Structural composite is also of two types. One is the laminar and second is the sandwich. Laminar and sandwich. We shall discuss one by one composite. Just say we can write here one particle used as reinforcement material. Particle used as a reinforcement material. So particle may be large, particle may be small. So here it is A. large size reinforcement material. Large size reinforcement material. Just I told you the example, automobile tire. Automobile tire. Automobile tire. So in this automobile tire, commonly we say tire. So in automobile tire, carbon particles are dispersed as the carbon particles of 20 to 50 nm size are dispersed in synthetic rubber. Synthetic rubber. So rubber is a matrix in which carbon particles, spherical carbon particles of this size is dispersed. Means carbon particle behave as a reinforcement material. So this carbon, which is reinforcement material, it enhance tensile carbon particles, enhance tensile strength, tensile strength. Not only tensile strength, it also increases, enhance tensile strength and toughness. Toughness of material. It becomes more load bearing. It becomes more load bearing. Load bearing. Now question is how rubber can be more load bearing. Yes, actually what happened when we apply load to the matrix. So major part of the load is bear by the matrix. But what happened actually, the carbon particle, or you can say the reinforcement material, it divert the load in different direction. Suppose particularly load is put perpendicular to the plane of a rubber, so it can not resist to the maximum. But if the rubber is mixed with the carbon, so the load is dispersed in different direction, and therefore the material called composite material, it becomes load bearing. So in this way the tire becomes hard, tough, tensile strength is increased, and not only these two, abbreviation घिसता है टायर जैसे, ये कम हो जाएगा. तो अब्रेशन रेजिस्टेंस हो जाएगा. सो हियर लोड बियरिंग एंड abrasion resistant, as I have told you about the cement concrete mixture. So cement behaves as a matrix and concrete behaves as a reinforcement material. Not only this, you can also give examples of the cutting tool, लोहा काटने का या किसी भी हार्ड चीज को काटने वाला कोई भी इंस्ट्रूमेंट आप बनाते हो, तो इतना हार्ड कैसे बन जाएगा? कोई कॉमन मटेरियल से आप नहीं काट सकते हो, कितना भी वो हार्ड मटेरियल क्यों न हो, लेकिन वो नहीं कर सकता. तो वी प्रिपेयर कंपोजिट. So just see another example of this type of the composite is the to prepare cutting tools. You know, tungsten is hard material, but the tungsten carbide is very, very hard. Titanium carbide, it is also a hard material. So tungsten carbide and titanium carbide, they are used as a reinforcement material. So if tungsten carbide or titanium carbide is mixed in cobalt or nickel metal and prepare a composite, so you will get a composite material, cobalt tungsten carbide or cobalt titanium carbide or nickel tungsten carbide, nickel titanium carbide. So that becomes much more harder even than the tungsten carbide and titanium carbide. So in this way, the composite prepared by the hard material and homogeneous material like cobalt and nickel, so we can prepare a cutting tools. So that depends upon the size of the reinforcement material. So here I have told about the, for cutting tools you can say tungsten, tungsten carbide or titanium carbide mixed with cobalt or nickel metal gave very hard composite material used to prepare cutting tools. Cutting tools. So in this way, the size of reinforcement material is size 20 to 50 nm, large size. So it is one type of the composite depending upon the size of the particle. Now there is another type of the composite which is prepared by very small size of the particle, powder you can say. So a small size, second type of the composite in which reinforcement material is particle, no doubt, but it is a small size. B, a small size particle. Composite. A small size particle composite. Example, suppose metal matrix is nickel metal. Matrix is nickel metal and reinforcement material is thorium oxide. Particle size is 10 to 100 nm, like this. So this type of the composite is also important. लो कास्ट सबसे बड़ी विशेषता है, इस तरह के कंपोजिट का कास्ट कम होता है। तो मेजर लोड बियर कौन करता है? मेजर लोड बियर करता है मैट्रिक्स। बट if we use some reinforcement material, the load is dispersed, and in this way the composite material is able to bear large amount of the load over it. So here I told you, here 30% by volume, 30% by volume. This thorium is added in the निकिल। निकिल मेटल को मेल्ट करा लीजिए, मेल्ट कराने के बाद थोरियम का पाउडर उसमें मिला दीजिए। रेशियो 30% वॉल्यूम, 70% निकिल मेटल का वॉल्यूम हो, 30% थोरियम का हो, तो यू विल गेट ए कंपोजिट मटेरियल विच इज वेरी यूजफुल। So in this way, this material also have high tensile strength and hard as well. So in this way, I have explained the composite prepared by using particle as a reinforcement material, whether the particle is of large size or particle is of small size. Now, second type of the composite based on reinforcement material is the fiber based composite. Here in this composite, mostly polymers are used as a matrix, and ग्लास या कार्बन, इनको हम रीइंफोर्समेंट मटेरियल के रूप में इस्तेमाल करते हैं। This type of the composite provide high strength, but one thing must be known to everyone, that there is a aspect ratio, aspect ratio, aspect ratio, aspect ratio. It is equal to length upon dimension. Length upon dimension. You can say diameter, you can say diameter. So what is the length of the material and what is the diameter of the material? So that is called as the aspect ratio, and the aspect ratio, it should be 1 nm. The fiber based composite are also of two types. One is long fiber, long fiber composite, and B is the short fiber fiber composite. So long fiber composites are continuous like this. Short fiber composites are like this. This is the continuous, and this is the discontinuous. Discontinuous. So long fiber composite materials are better because the reinforcement material of high length aspect value is increased, and therefore it becomes more resistant and hard load bearing. But we can also prepare discontinuous type of the composite where fiber जैसे ग्लास फाइबर है तो ग्लास के छोटे छोटे चॉप कर लें फाइबर के and mix in polymer you will prepare a glass fiber, and such type of the composites are of low cost and low load bearing, but they are also important in our life. There are so many uses of the glass fiber. Now, third thing is the structural reinforcement composite. Structural, I have told you two types of the reinforcement material dependent composite. One, particle size, second, fiber, and third is the structural. So third is structural. Reinforcement composite. Structural. So in structural you will have laminar. In this laminar, just you say like this. One layer, second layer, third layer, fourth layer. So if you have one sheet, top sheet and bottom sheet, both sheets are joined together with glue means they are stacked with the glue. So one is the face sheet. This is the face sheet. This is also face sheet. Face sheet. And this is the stacked material. Stacked material with glue. With glue. ये बीच में जो भी मटेरियल आप मिलाते हो, ये कोई भी हो सकता है। आपने प्लाई देखा होगा, प्लाईवुड। प्लाईवुड दो प्रकार की होती है। एक प्लाईवुड ऐसी होती है कि जैसे कि आपने ऐसे ऐसे या ऐसे ऐसे लकड़ी डाल दिया, इसके ऊपर एक शीट लगा दिया ऊपर और नीचे, दिस टाइप ऑफ द ग्लू लगा करके दोनों, एक लेयर ऊपर से एक नीचे से। ये बहुत सॉफ्ट वुड है। जो सीट है, फेस सीट, ये फेस सीट, नीचे वाला भी फेस सीट है, दोनों के बीच में आपने डाल दिया, ऐसे रीइंफोर्समेंट मटेरियल डाल दिया, ग्लू से चिपका दिया। अब इसके बाद ये जो कंपोजिट बन गया, ये कोई मटेरियल अलग से नहीं बना, ये स्ट्रक्चर बना। जैसे निकिल में आपने थोरियम ऑक्साइड मिला दिया, या आपने टंगस्टन की कार्बाइड को कोबाल्ट निकिल में मिला दिया, यू गेट ए मटेरियल। ये जो आपकी प्लाईवुड है, इट इज नॉट ए मटेरियल, बट इट इज ए कंपोजिट कॉल्ड एज द स्ट्रक्चरल कंपोजिट। जैसे इसके अंदर आप यहां पर पाउडर भर दिए, लकड़ी का बुरादा भर दीजिए, और उसको जो है दो फेस को आप स्टैक कर दीजिए, दैट becomes also structural composite. So in this way you can prepare the structural composite by means of the very cheap wood, but that is very important, load bearing. सपोज करिए एस्बेस्टस। एस्बेस्टस की सीट के अंदर आपने देखा होगा, एस्बेस्टस के अंदर अगर हम मिला दें इम्प्रिग्नेट कर दें सिलिकॉन SI, तो एक मटेरियल आपका जो तैयार होगा वो एक मजबूत मटेरियल बनेगा, दैट इज आल्सो स्ट्रक्चरल। So one of the structural is laminar composite. Laminar composite. Second is sandwich. Sandwich composite. Sandwich composite. सैंडविच कंपोजिट में क्या है, दो चीजों को आप जोड़ दीजिए। सैंडविच जैसे कि आप पैनल देखे हैं, पैनल एल्युमिनियम का पैनल है, तो मोस्टली जैसे एरोप्लेन है या हेलीकॉप्टर है, इसके जो विंग्स हैं ये सैंडविच पैनल हैं। So there are two materials in which some core materials are used as a sandwich material. जैसे कि अगर आप सेफ्टी ग्लास की मैंने बात किया, तो सेफ्टी ग्लास इज ए कंपोजिट which is prepared by sandwiching two glass layers with PVC. PVB, polyvinyl butadiene. Polyvinyl butadiene. So suppose this is one glass plate and this is another glass plate, and here it is PVB glass plate and this is the glass plate, and both glass plates are sandwiched through this PVB plus glue like this. So you can prepare safety glass, and there are so many metal panels also prepared by sandwiching two plates like metal plates, but after sandwiching that becomes very much load bearing. So our concept of the composite is of three types. One composite prepared by adding reinforcement material in the matrix as a particle. Particle size may be large, particle size may be small. Second type of the composite is prepared by having fiber as a reinforcement material. So fibers are embedded or mixed in a matrix. Matrix may be polymer, matrix may be metal, matrix may be ceramic. So we are not bothering about the matrix. You can take any type of the matrix. Even you can take carbon as a matrix. So if fiber may be long fiber, fiber may be small fiber. So nature or quality of the composite will be different. And third one is the structural. मटीरियल उसमें कोई मैट्रिक्स नहीं है, केवल हम चीज़ों को जो ज़्यादा है, जैसे एक प्लेट हमने ग्लास का लिया, एक दूसरी प्लेट ग्लास का लिया, दोनों को मिला करके हमने बीच में डाल दिया पीवीबी को, तो हमारी एक स्ट्रक्चरल कंपोजिट बन गई जो हमारे काम की है, दैट बिहेव्स एज ए सेफ्टी ग्लास. सिमिलरली you can prepare so many type of the composite by using synthetic rubber as a sandwiching material. And if there is a rubber, but nature it is light and the load bearing also. Plywood, I have told you plywood is also a composite, but the composite is structural composite. So in this way we can understand about the different type of the composite based on reinforcement material. So this is all about the different types of the composite depending upon the type of the reinforcement material. Thank you. Thank you very much.